Olive oil, a healthy ally for your diet. Hello everyone. Today we're going to explore how olive oil can be an effective ally in your diet. We will discuss why olive oil is beneficial for weight loss, some delicious dishes you can make with it, methods to incorporate it into your meals, precautions to keep in mind, and key points to follow for a successful diet with olive oil. Let's dive in. First, let's understand why olive oil is effective for your diet. Olive oil is primarily composed of monounsaturated fats, which are known to promote heart health and reduce bad cholesterol levels. Unlike saturated fats, monounsaturated fats can help maintain a healthy weight when consumed in moderation. This type of fat provides a sense of satiety, meaning it can help you feel full longer, which reduces the likelihood of overeating. Additionally, olive oil contains antioxidants, particularly polyphenols, which have anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation can contribute to weight gain and metabolic disorders. By incorporating olive oil into your diet, you may help reduce inflammation in your body, leading to better weight management. Furthermore, the healthy fats in olive oil can aid in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins such as A, D, E, and K, enhancing overall nutritional intake. Now, let's explore some delicious dishes you can create with olive oil that are also diet-friendly. One great option is a fresh salad dressed with olive oil. Start by gathering fresh greens like spinach or arugula, along with colorful vegetables such as bell peppers, tomatoes, and cucumbers. For the dressing, combine extra virgin olive oil with balsamic vinegar, a pinch of salt, and freshly cracked black pepper. This simple yet flavorful dressing not only enhances the taste of the salad but also provides healthy fats that can keep you satisfied. Another excellent dish is roasted vegetables. Choose a variety of vegetables such as zucchini, eggplant, and bell peppers. Chop them into bite-sized pieces and toss them in a bowl with olive oil, garlic, salt, and your favorite herbs like rosemary or thyme. Spread the vegetables on a baking sheet and roast them in the oven until they are tender and caramelized. This dish is not only nutritious, but also allows the natural sweetness of the vegetables to shine through, making it a perfect side for any meal. If you're looking for a quick and healthy pasta dish, consider whole grain pasta with olive oil. Cook the pasta according to package instructions and drain it. In a pan, heat a tablespoon of olive oil and saute minced garlic until fragrant. Add in some fresh spinach and toss until wilted. Finally, combine the pasta with the garlic spinach mixture and season with salt, pepper, and a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. This dish is both satisfying and nutritious, making it a great option for a healthy dinner. Now, let's talk about some precautions when using olive oil in your diet. While olive oil is healthy, it is also calorie-dense. It's important to use it in moderation. A general recommendation is to limit your intake to about 1 to 2 tablespoons per day, depending on your overall dietary needs. Overconsumption can lead to excess calorie intake, which can counteract your weight loss efforts. Additionally, it's crucial to choose high-quality olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is the best option as it is less processed and retains more of its natural nutrients. Look for oils labeled as cold-pressed, as these methods preserve the health benefits. Be cautious of overly cheap options, as they may be mixed with lower-quality oils or lack the health benefits associated with pure olive oil. Let's summarize the key points for incorporating olive oil into your diet effectively. First, always opt for extra virgin olive oil for the highest quality and health benefits. Second, use olive oil as a dressing or finishing touch, rather than for high-heat cooking, to preserve its nutrients. Third, balance your diet by including a variety of foods, such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains alongside olive oil. This ensures you are getting a broad spectrum of nutrients while benefiting from the healthy fats in olive oil. In conclusion, olive oil can be a powerful tool in your diet when used correctly. Its healthy fats, antioxidants, and versatility in cooking make it an excellent addition to your meals. By incorporating olive oil into delicious dishes like salads, roasted vegetables, and pasta, you can enhance both the taste and nutritional value of your meals. Remember to practice moderation, choose high-quality oil, and balance your overall diet for the best results. Thank you for joining me today. and I hope you find these tips helpful in your journey toward a healthier lifestyle.